Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg noodles. First, select a large pot to ensure your noodles have ample space to cook evenly. For every 1 pound of noodles, you will need at least 4 quarts of water. This generous amount helps prevent sticking. Remember to add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water before bringing it to a vigorous, rolling boil. This simple step significantly enhances the flavor of your finished dish. Once your water is at a strong, rolling boil, carefully add the egg noodles. It is crucial to stir them right away to ensure they do not clump together or stick to the bottom of the pot. The cooking time typically ranges from 3 to 7 minutes. This duration can vary based on the noodle thickness and your desired texture. Always taste a noodle to confirm it has reached your perfect level of tenderness, whether al dente or softer. After cooking, promptly drain your egg noodles using a colander. A common mistake is rinsing them, which can wash away starches that help sauce adhere. Only rinse if you are making a cold noodle salad. If you are not serving them immediately, toss the noodles with a small amount of butter or olive oil to prevent them from sticking together. This keeps them fresh and ready for your preferred sauce. For truly exceptional egg noodles, always start with a high-quality product. The most important tip is to avoid overcooking. Mushy noodles are never enjoyable. If your sauce seems too thick, a small splash of the starchy noodle cooking water can help achieve a perfect consistency. Any leftover cooked noodles can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for another delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.